in pursuant of Section 10 of the Parliamentary Service Act 1993, Act 460, I direct the Clerk to Parliament to cause to be undertaken.
Well, it's chaos. The table have been turned. It's chaos. It's chaos. It's chaos. It's chaos. The table have turned. More microphones are falling to the ground and things have been destroyed. The table has broken. The table
Trends on Pro Television and I will share Thursday and a Friday no. Yes. Thursday no and a incident in see you back your platform so I will say e bi da so MPC ya or the boy ni wo vetting asia ebubu nkonya say a microphones ni ade. Na ekrofo hwe nim say de ni bekwa kosi after that what next. And the Speaker of Parliament ababe kasa ase asem no ne ho adwiri no wa ye shock ohun ade no o say are these honorable? Oh no. Jenny MP a friend was saying honorable and not on pray. I not on pray. You're suspending no. Parliament Speaker suspending no. Ejina maraso they are suspending. Afi Honorable Jerry Ahmed. Honorable Jerry Ahmed. Also, you are suspended. No. And Honorable Dafia Meko. It didn't mean who also, sir. Another honorable. So, so, also, you are suspended. And then you take committee, say, yen shemu. Na, woman can be a woman can woman. Ya say tables, I say microphones in your din. Speaker said, yen shemu ya. Wa bebu abo no. Ye better salary. Near the air repair, a dia kotofufro. Next time, no. Ube who say we are honorable. You see, our MPs, our lawmakers, most of them don't have this emotional intelligence. They don't have it. They don't have it. Of late, you ever see pro-trans mukakra. The reactions near the shishimus are near above videos. Most of them don't have emotional intelligence. Most of our leaders in this country don't have emotional intelligence. They don't know how to control themselves when they are angry. So all the time they will be in public and be disgracing themselves as if say the whole world is evolving around them.
Well, it's chaos. The table have been turned. It's chaos. It's chaos. It's chaos. It's chaos. The table have turned. More microphones are falling to the ground and things have been destroyed. The table has broken. The table.
Akukru te akwenya no de si table so. Now ma wada. These were the same people who were saying say obi akotro bibia from home Oliver akotro bibia from home Facebook wagu committee na anima se wo mo ateso wagu odo mo reputation na twitwi fam mebo eye speaker video na ma odo mo reputation na twitwi fam eti no mo dragging ba ho. Yes, it's good some dragging ba because ono no any evidence. But the same people who were crying almost reputation were the same people disgracing themselves on Thursday. The same people now almost say obi dey omo ani monyam atwitwi fam. The same are not on pray. Honorable are not on pray. We dream ka call parliament. Now we see obi akase we silly, which is wrong because as all cancer in public. The same are not on pray is the one misbehaving. The same honorable are not on pray. Ne ya suspending no. Enti wo ya mana kwesa ase asem na baba wane kan. You are MPs, you are honorable. So most of the things are mobile, at least mama you won't say more you're honorable. You are honorables, but more yet dishonorable things. It's your boss and speaker says say you bet you music idea to and Ghana for some mo speaker ya boa basso. Yentie a video neka crying by ba. Ya bet was.
In pursuant of Section 10 of the Parliamentary Service Act 1993, Act 460, I direct the Clerk to Parliament to cause to be undertaken a full assessment of all damage caused within the committee room and parliamentary presence as a result of the misconduct of the members. Not a single pesewa of public funds shall be used to repair or replace any damaged property. Instead, members found responsible shall be surcharged for the full cost of repairs and replacement, with deductions from their emoluments, including the salaries of members, if necessary. 3, in pursuance of the provisions of the Constitution 1992 and the standing orders of Parliament, I further direct the Clerk to Parliament to formally lodge a complaint with the Ghana Police Service to conduct a full criminal investigation into the matter for appropriate action.
Eti video ni yakwa kwetie speaker sema okani yakwa kwetie kakraba. Ti dey na make am these were honorable. These are honorables. They are not well because they are still honorable. These are honorable. And they were like issue abana montimo once ya. You can solve this peacefully. Mamba say we are seeing who say yes. And one person Ghanaians are dragging. Honorable and not don't pray. Election, we saw what you did, and you need to be you are an honorable man. Oh yes, sir. That speaker ka sembi that na honorable and not don't pray complaining. Speaker ka sembi era Alban Bagman ka sembi say because they are MPs and honorables, they should behave as such. And yes, sir, the public want to respect them. The man said it. Say, behave as honorable members. And yes, sir, the public want to respect them. The way they speak, the way they conduct themselves when they are outside or inside the chamber hall. They should let people know that they are lawmakers. So they should behave well. Speaker no, speaker some more kind any 2 days in po. I'm not sure. Yeah. Oh. Moshe. And I want to yaswa table. Hey. Speaker 2 mo for enche biampo ana mohe. Eya dien. Moji dien. Is it that you want to trend? You want people Ghanaians to talk about you people? Shame on you. You to say you guys were in parliament complaining, said the youth are misbehaving and they are destroying public property. But the same people who were in parliament complaining said the youth are destroying public property. No, the same people no so na cause manager padie. The same people so for preacher brabo kronkron oba brabo boni. Sa na mo parliamentarians na kwakwa you. They are preaching brabo papa. There's almost the opposite. The same thing you are complaining about, the same thing I want to work with. And it's good. God bless Speaker of Parliament. This is the kind of leader we need. I'm waiting we am do. It's here they see. They say Sani Becom. They didn't name Shimusa. Pro Technologies for the tire chi yet not see the Pro Trends Abesun Pro Television. So my number is the screen so far now no more any encomo or far now only heading como CCTV cameras, automated gate, electric fence, car tracker, video doorbell. General construction property rental IT ni nyina ye bi protect waso ye. Eba security general construction property rental IT a ofren ya ebe fix it ebe ye bibia kama ma no akoma atoye. Fine numbers oni ni nkoma prolens eso be wa Robert Ubedi dwumadie bia wudi in 2025 for ye nyimi try. Your drone a ye fly or a ye event as ofren ya ba be take drone shots video ni pictures at amount. Yes ye multimedia company. Ti dwumadie bia wudi in 2025 to safren ye no any. Omo time achi mitna see e pro trends abasum pro television so me subscribe button me notification bell so for my meeting and abuna. Mr. Lotie director, producer so afi so Mr. Eric Oakley executive producer. Shawaju comment section from
you will be able to see them who you be a medium friend, right? Look at this a video. Man who not drawn you can meet dear Sawas here. Aye, the two will be able to cover engagement, one mining in with your Wakuko, now will be able to with your friend. Pro technology of the baby camera. Oh, the camera will go here. Now, Konya Miani, now show phones to never move here, and you pro. I make characters away pro, Yannick. Pro, I appear. Oh, YouTube so. Any woman to move, I don't go. Security fence one, you draw there. What control one maybe not a situation there you move when this one. But I want one baba as a shaman. What my yard, you're rough. Tell you I'm a love woman. And yes, if I'm a young patron, to be a wolf from away no money for me. Me, I'm not from woman. Oh, you're not from problem. Why? Oh, yeah, you money, now we're near and one. What do you for 24 hours, 1 month for any. Or no better than penny.
Are you serious?
Serious,